Imager.gg, professional visuals in seconds. This not only creates your images, creates images in different styles for you. You can edit the image. So after you have it, you could say, I'm going to upload another image and say, replace the person in image 1 with the person from image 2, and also add the cat from image 3 and add the style from image 4. You can do all of these image type of things, but we also have a thumbnail creator to do your YouTube thumbnail. So you could take any YouTube URL, paste it in, it pulls it in, then you could swap your face onto it and then replace the text, or use one of our templates that we have from our library. And it also creates your professional shots that you could use for LinkedIn and your website. And we even do your crazy Home Alone style YouTube photos for you as well. No design skills are required. Just describe what you want and the AI creates everything. All right, so the website front end says here, create stunning AI images in seconds. So we do text to image. We also do text art. So if you need like something like with text written on a blackboard, we have the text drop down, which is really good with text, and we use the ideogram model for that. We do image to image editing so that you could use any image in your gallery or any image that you created or any image that you upload, and you can say, hey, I want to change this this image to put a hat on the person, or change it to from fall to winter, or get rid of the rain, or make et cetera, et cetera. You know the deal, right? Multi-image reference transfer. I'll show you that a little bit later. That's where you use multiple images, like say, swap the person from image 1 with the person with image 2, but add the cat that's in image 3 and use the style of image 4. And why not? We have stock images built in. Why? Maybe you just want to use a stock library and find a royalty-free image as your starter base, okay? We have your YouTube thumbnail cloner. You upload a reference thumbnail or put a YouTube URL or use one of our templates, and then you could swap the person with you or anybody from your gallery, and then you can replace the text, all with AI. We do your professional studio headshots and your YouTube expression headshots. So this is our YouTube thumbnail gallery. Again, if you like somebody else's, just put the YouTube URL, grab Mr. Beast, and it'll pull it in here for you, and you can add it right to the library. Or use one of these. And once you have that, you simply choose one of these. So you upload your photo once and it creates your YouTube thumbnails, right? You know, sometimes, you know, you might want to do the thumbs up or the peace sign or the high or the shush or whatever. And that's by uploading your photo one time. And here, by uploading your photo one time, it'll also create a gallery for you to use, so you don't have to hire anybody to do your pro studio headshots for you. We also have different styles. Now, this is only 20 of them that are showing. We have over 50 different styles that you can choose up to, and you can favorite up to 10. I wish, again, I could show you, but logging in takes a lot of time to show you all of this stuff. This is an example. So if you have an image that you already made, or you're saying, make me an image, and then you could click and say, and click on any of these, and your images will automatically come out in this. This style gallery goes on and on and on, but we also imported the ideogram style gallery as well. So there's over 100 different styles that you can use, from starting the image, or pull an image from the royalty-free gallery, from your gallery, or any image that you created, and then adapt the style to it afterwards. The choice is up to you. Now, this are all of the different things that you can do with the multi-image reference. So as you can see here in the top left, you could say where the lantern is, you could say, take the dog from image 2 and replace him with the lantern in image 1. You can say things like, take the woman in image 2 and replace the man in image 1, and you get this. You could say, take the man in image 1 and add the jacket from image 2. Or you could say here, take, let's see, what is the diff? Oh, I can't even see what this prompt actually is, but something from image 1 and image 2 went here. Now here you're seeing, they're saying, take the lighting from image 2 and add it to image 1. Here it says, take the animal in image 1 and place it and replace the man in image 2, and you get this. And here you're seeing, take the lighting from image 2 and apply it to image 1, and take the style from image 2 and apply it to image 1. You can replace objects, So you can basically say, make the person in image 1 hold the Coca-Cola can or your product, right? So if you want to get an influencer holding your product, you can do that. Light render, we just showed you. Style transfer, we showed you. You can imitate a pose. This is really, really cool. So I want to show this to my friend Donnie French, who owns Performance Golf. I'm going to show him this at the next mastermind. What he can do is he can show his student in a golf pose, and he could show them, do you see how you're not standing properly? And then what he can do is he can get a proper pose of Tiger Woods going through that shot and say, take the golfer from shot number 1 and transpose the pose from image 2 on it. And then he could say, this is what you should be looking like. So imagine that for basketball, for gymnastics, where you could take Nadia Comaneci, and you could tell my age, right? And if you don't know who Nadia Comaneci is, first 10 in US in World Olympics history. You can actually transpose a pose. You can even do it for yourself. Maybe you're trying to learn that particular move in karate or Brazilian jiu-jitsu or hockey, and you're capturing yourself doing a slap shot. Now, get the one from Wayne Gretzky, and you could see, oh, I see what's going on. My elbow is wrong. Those are just some examples. I'm getting carried away. You could transfer the face expression, transfer somebody's hair, transfer a font style, a pattern, a background in context. You could add up to 3 people for reference, 4 images for reference, et cetera, et cetera. So Imager is fantastic. Again, I can do a 1-hour demo just on that. You can now create any visual that you need for social media. You can design without limits. You can iterate. You have a gallery for everything. And once you have an image, you can iterate on it. It's a fantastic product.